I decided to turn my pricing model into an agent that helped make actionable business decisions to increase profits. Most machine learning projects stop at prediction. They tell you what might happen, but they don't tell you what to do. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to show you how I build an AI pricing system that actually makes decision and take action. I will also talk you through about the challenges I had to overcome to get this agent to work. Hey there, my name is Emmanuel Achayo, and I am a research analyst at a community college here in Arizona. Pricing is one of the most important levers in business, but most companies either guess or use static pricing. They don't change their prices. Even with data, there is no clear way to test pricing different scenarios, measure risk, or justify decisions. So I built a system that goes beyond prediction. It takes historical data and run it through a pipeline from data to explanation. Instead of just predicting demand, it simulates different prices, calculates profits, and selects the best option. Then it explains the recommendation using AI. Here is the agent in action. I call the agent Pricing Optimization Agent. We made sure to make the UI simple to use. The UI had only two tabs, single SKU tab and a top opportunity tab. Before we look into the single SKU tab, let's see a demo of the top opportunity tab. To find top opportunities, you drag the line to select how many products you're interested in. Then, when you click on Find Opportunities, the system scans through products and identify where pricing changes can increase profits. Then the system gets you ranked opportunities. For each product, we see recommended price, expected profit, confidence, and risk. Instead of raw numbers, the system translates results from action. Increase price, test carefully, or flag as risks. This is where it gets powerful. The system doesn't just give a recommendation, it explains it. For example, increase price because demand remains stable and profit improves with low risks. That makes the output usable, even for non-technical users. Let's turn our focus to the single SKU tab. You can also analyze a single product and get a focused recommendation instantly. Here is a quick demo. I will copy and paste one of my SKUs in the dialog box, then click Run Optimization. The agent goes to work and gives the following: recommended price for that particular SKU, expected profit, confidence level, and risk. Then it gives a natural language explanation behind its reasoning. But in brief, here is what happens under the hood. This is not an agent in a black box. So I used random forest model for demand prediction, simulated pricing across a range of values, optimized for profit, added constraints to keep recommendations realistic, and built a decision layer with confidence and risk scoring. Finally, I integrated an LLM to convert outputs into business explanations. The biggest lesson from this project was this: machine learning becomes valuable not when it predicts well, but when it helps people make better decisions. If you want to exploit, I've linked the app and the code below. Go check the agent and have some fun. Be sure to use any of these SKUs to see how the magic works.